I'll be that silver lining to the story. If you thought that I would turn and run, then y'all don't know me. May my fears rest in peace, cause that's a old me. Got this taste on my...
Big for
Adventure Park, Whitsundays, Airlie Beach.
the boys actually have no idea what this park has. And I know, and I'm super excited, and I cannot wait to see their face. But we just left Mackay. It took us, I don't know, what, 2.5, 3 hours?
Just under 2 hours.
I'm so bad with time. I stuff it up every time. But we are so excited to show you around here, and hopefully you love it too. See ya! Alright, I've just checked into Big 4 Adventure Whitsunday Resort, and it is like a resort reception walking in there. It is not like a normal caravan park. It is epic. It's so good.
Xander just asked me while you were gone, is there a pool? And I said, maybe.
Is there a pool? I don't know about that.
Tell me if you can see one.
You see a pool?
Yes. Wow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. I can see 5. 6. 6. I see 6.
For you kids, there's not that much. There's only the tennis court, badminton, basketball court, 2 jumping pillows, a playground in the middle, a pool and water slides, a big huge mega water slide park, massage hut, probably for adults, mini golf, the lily pad, animal park,
which you have to book in for because apparently it gets super busy.
right, and kids club up near the office.
You get discounts on food places.
Yeah, we've got
And at the pharmacy.
coffee, cafe vouchers, takeaway vouchers.
And you also get this, which is a what's on here.
And we just passed Cannonvale Shopping Centre on the way in, which has all your big majors, Woolworths, Big W, Super Cheap Auto, BCF, all that sort of jazz. And then we're like, I think 4.5 Ks to the lagoon that's in Airlie Beach on the water there. So call it 4 Ks, 4.5 to town.
When we get to our next spot and we set up, the boys write a little journal on where we just were.
Play the game right, no one can follow. Oh, it's time to fire on up. Oh, it's time to fire on up.
We are on our way to Cedar Creek Falls. We've just left the car park, it's just behind us. It's a huge walk. You'll
20 steps.
You need to take a long lunch with you.
It's the hugest walk I've ever went.
Y'all don't know me. May my fears rest in peace, cause that's a old me. Got this taste on my tongue, I crave the glory.
Where are we at?
We are at Cedar Creek Falls. We weren't sure how far the walk was, but I think it was like 20 steps from the car park. You just can't see if you can hear it. Pretty amazing. We've just trekked to the top of Cedar Creek Falls and we found another little pool to go swimming in. There's another waterfall at the end. Now you do obviously have to be very careful, especially we've come up here when it's been raining, or it still is, it's raining right now. But this is the top where it all runs off.
Yeah.
Boys in tow, always coming with us, aren't ya?
Yep.
We found a swing! Oh, Xander wants to swing. He's going in fully clothed.
How did they go? Can we get back to me like that? Good?
Finish me.
This could be the smartest or dumbest thing she's ever done. Actually, it's not going to be the smartest. Could be the dumbest though.
I want to go out.
Get ready, Tobes. You got to have a go.
Ready, Toby? Press the button, mate. Ready?
Oh. Oh, it's so good.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, you're braver than me.
Oh, I didn't think I was gonna make it, like my feet over the water, but I did. It was a bit scary. The descent down continues.
Never got like a diamond shine under pressure. It's time to fire on up. It's time to fire on up, yeah. Pound on your chest like there's no tomorrow. Just play the game.
We have dragged the boys out of bed once again for sunrise. Pretty sure they hate us and are going to use it against us. But when you wake up and you get this amazing colour water and sky, because it's overcast and looks like it's going to rain, it's all worth it.
Look at the sun just coming through the cloud there. It's just like burning it.
I'll be that silver lining to the story. If you thought that I would turn and run, then y'all don't know me. May my fears rest in peace, cause that's a old me. Got this taste on my tongue, I crave the glory. Gasoline in my veins, be the fuel through my pain. Oh, as we rise from the flames. Heart of a
What happened?
Pedal's been on its way out.
Pedal down.
Let me out.
How are you getting home?
I don't know. We're only about 6k in, so.
play the game right, no one can follow.
We have just left. It is so bright. We've just left Airlie Beach and we have come to Bowen
For the big
for
mango.
the big mango. We got our photos. Probably gonna go and get some mango ice cream.
Sorbet? Oh, I guess they selling Bowen mango sorbet. Anyway, we'll have a crack at that.
And then we're heading to Townsville to stay with another friend there and have a look around there. And then we have nothing booked, so we'll see how we go.
We're travelling north, but we don't have accommodation booked.
Yeah.
We're just going to wing it. So exciting.
In my veins, be the fuel through my pain. Oh, as we rise from the flames.
If you like Mummy's videos, hit like and subscribe and we'll make more.
Oh, it's time to fire on up. Oh, it's time to fire